everyone. So today I've created this makeup look, which is a peachy eye and nude lips, which you can use for your daily wear, for your office. To know how I created this look, please watch the video, and at last please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Firstly, I'm using baby lips to moisturize my lips. I'm already done with my skincare, so I'm directly jumping to the lips. Then I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Desert Beige, and I'm applying it all over my face using the same spatula that comes with the foundation. I'm dotting it in my under my dark circles because today I'm not using any of the concealer, so I'm using this foundation as a concealer. It's an exact match for my skin, so I really like this foundation, and plus it's really easy to blend the foundation. Then I'm using a damn beauty blender to blend the foundation. First I'm blending the under eye area, and then I'll blend other face. You can see this foundation is really good. It doesn't take much time to blend this foundation, but still I'm taking my own time to blend the foundation because I don't want any harsh lines. And then I'm blending the neck. I'm again taking some of the foundation on my areas which I think still have some dark spots. So again I'm taking the same foundation and using the same beauty blender to blend the foundation. As you can see that I'm not using any concealer, so I'm using this foundation as a concealer. And now I will be taking Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm taking the banana shade of this palette and setting my under eye area. This banana shade comprises of a yellow undertone, so it gives an instant highlight to my under eye area. So you'll see that I'm not setting whole of my face, just the usual areas. Then I'm doing my eyes and using the same contour palette and using the dark brown shade to just define my crease line. So I'm taking that brown shade on a fluffy brush, blending brush, and just defining my crease and placing it all over my crease line. It is gonna give a natural bronze look to my eyes and depth, which I really like for my daily wear. So you can see the depth. And then I'm using the SFR Duo blush palette and taking the peach shade from this palette and placing it all over my lid area. It's very easy, and plus this blush is also very blendable. So you can see With just one stroke, it's done. And again, I'm taking the brown shade and blending all over it so that there will be no harsh lines. Then I'm taking a same fluffy brush and taking the brown shade to contour my nose. Sometimes I feel like contouring my nose because I really have one big pakoda naak. So I really feel like contouring it. Then I'm taking that big fluffy brush and contouring my cheekbone. It really defines your face actually because when you go under sunlight, it gives a shape to your face. Then I'm doing it on my neck so that I can hide my motapa and my double chin too. Then I'm again taking the Sapphire palette and much awaited part, blush. So I'm taking the peach blush today and using a Damn Beauty blender to apply the blush because I'm not getting my blush brush. So I'm using this sponge. It's really nice sponge actually. And applying on my cheeks, on my nose, on my chin. Then it's the time for some liner. So I'm using Lakme Insta liner and I'm not creating any dramatic eyes or nothing, simple wing. I really like this liner. It's affordable plus it works really well. So I really like this liner. I think this is my fourth purchase of this liner, if I'm not wrong. And plus, I like the liners whose applicator is small because it's very handy. I don't like those long applicators. Then I'm trying some wing. And now I will give some time to my eyes and my liner to get settled. And I will directly jump to my lipstick. Today I'm using Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. So it's a very nude brown, cool tone brown shade. So I really like this color. So guys, you have noticed today I'm not going to use any of the highlighter, just the blush. I don't know why I open my mouth whenever I apply lipstick, but forget it. You can see how beautiful this color is. It's very good for the daily wear. And now I will be using my very own Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Applying it on my lower lash line. I haven't filled in my brows, so I'm using the same mascara and applying it all over my brows. I don't like dark color brows, but simple, light. So it's done. So, guys, this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, this is the real look in the daylight, in the natural light. So, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.